This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of arguably the most famous of all Portuguese wine regions. The region that makes all of the grapes to make the port wines, the sweet Portuguese wines from Oporto, made in the city of Oporto. But the grapes to make those port wines are sourced from a valley that is higher, that is not around the city of Oporto, but higher in a valley along the river that is called the Douro River. So you will find, including here on YouTube, many videos, and you will find many English-speaking people telling you that you have to say this Douro, Douro, Douro. Well, this is actually incorrect, so I definitely wanted to make this video to correct this misunderstanding. No, you do not want to say Douro, but rather Douro. Douro, so Douro essentially. With the typical Portuguese pronunciation, you would say Douro, Douro, rolling the R like the Portuguese or the Spanish do, Douro. But it'd be fine in English if you can't do that to say Douro, Douro. But do not say Douro. Douro, I mean, it's possible to say it and many people say it, but that's not Portuguesely correct. Douro. I hope this video was useful. Here is a video where I introduce many facets, many features, main features of the valley of the Douro as far as wine is concerned. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino, in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.